Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bouncin' Mountain. Woo! One of the 3 channels on YouTube that have over 50 videos of One Night Werewolf.
There are 2 others?
I know there's one other, but to be nice, I'm going to assume that there's at least one.
That's nice.
A third one.
Cool.
We're definitely in the top 2 of most videos.
What a small, close-knit community.
I definitely think I have the most videos if I didn't separate them into, like, since they're separated into 3s, I have the most. But for the number
has the most watched?
The most watched?
Wow.
Probably Smosh or something.
Not for werewolf videos.
They have one big werewolf video.
Okay, fair.
Okay, I'm joined today by Pete.
I forgot who I am.
Katie.
Hi.
I'm Brett.
Kelsey.
Kelsey.
She introduced herself.
She introduced herself.
Kelsey. I don't know why. I waited for her to say something.
I don't know. Everybody was doing it.
I just said hi as you said my name. It's all good.
And,
Hi.
And Dustin.
Hi, he's here.
But for the first time ever since he had his belt, do you want to take it from me?
Now introducing the Bouncin' Mountain One Night
Werewolf.
One Night Ultimate Champion, Joey.
Oh yeah! Cream of the crop, straight to the top.
That was my real last.
Yeah.
I like your belt.
We're last name. We don't have last names. What's like your nickname?
They call me the Butcher.
Joey
Joey
the
the Butcher.
Joey the Butcher.
Butcher.
Showing off the belt. You want to smack someone with it?
No.
Oh, that could have blinded them. I like that.
Blinded.
Ding ding ding.
Oh! And we're done.
Even playing field.
Glad you earned it.
So today, we're playing One Night Ultimate Werewolf Daybreak.
Whoa.
Because we have
Classic to the original.
we have
It is daytime.
Hey, it's Thursday.
Second?
It's Throwback Thursday.
Second? No,
It's Monday.
Oh, it's Monday.
What day of the week are you on?
Monday.
Where are we?
What's going on?
How about that weekend, Brett?
Yeah.
Saturday was great. Sunday was tough.
Yeah.
Monday morning is always the worst.
But, yep, that's when we're filming this.
Monday morning.
Monday morning.
Monday.
It's just, how's the song go?
Monday.
Think of a different one. Monday's
He's
Monday.
like Monday morning.
Monday's Monday.
That's Sunday.
Never
Monday in the park.
It's
Think
Monday.
it was the 4th of
Monday.
July.
And now it's
Gotta get
Tuesday.
down on Monday. No, it's still Monday.
All right.
Oh, still Monday.
Anyway.
Guys, here are all the cards we're playing with. First up, she always goes first. We haven't played with her in a while, and I guess a bunch of people want us to play with her. It's the DP herself, Doppelganger.
Whoa!
The Doppelganger wakes up and looks at another player's card, and then they have to do that action. They become that card. So if you see a villager, you do that action. If you see a Tanner, you're now a Tanner, and you only win if you die. But if you see a werewolf, you wake up with the other werewolves, and you're now on the werewolf team.
Cool.
Then we have 2 werewolves. I never explain how the game works. Like, what if someone's watching this for the first time?
Then they should go to your first video that you'll link above and below and
Above and below.
everywhere.
Put it in the card.
Can't you do like a
Get
little
the
eye
speech
thing that
bubble.
I'll
like
link
pops
it.
up?
I haven't figured out how to make it last more than 1
Well,
second.
do that. Do it right now.
So we have 2 werewolves in the group. The werewolves wake up and they look at each other.
Make eye
Oh, you're the
contact.
werewolf.
But if there's only one, if there's only one werewolf, they may look at a center card and go, "Ooh, now that's a center card."
Yep, that's what they do.
But one of the werewolves is an alpha wolf. The alpha wolf will wake up with the other werewolf, go to sleep, and wake up again, and then turn a player into the secret 4th alpha wolf card.
Ooh.
So they're turning another player into a wolf.
Sounds very wolfy.
Very wolfy. Then a classic card, we have the Seer. The Seer wakes up and may look at another player's card, or look at 2 cards from the center. That includes the 4th alpha wolf card.
Cool, very cool.
Then we have the Robber. The Robber may steal another player's card and then look at their new card.
But not their license plates.
No.
They may
don't do
not
that.
look at their license
He's
plate.
like, too soon, too soon.
Someone stole my license plate.
Who does that? Who does that? That's messed up.
My Texas license plate.
Yeah, Texas.
Yeah, because
Texas.
we live here in Austin, Texas.
Austin, Texas.
Yes. And whatever card you have, you're now that card. So if you steal a werewolf, you're on the werewolf team. If you steal a Tanner, you now want to die.
Correct.
Then we have the Troublemaker. Troublemaker wakes up and may swap 2 players' cards. Doesn't get to look at either. Doesn't get to swap their own card. Then we have the witch. The witch wakes up and may look at a center card, including that fourth Alpha Wolf card. But if they do look at the card, they have to give that card to someone. That includes themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have a card we haven't played with too often. The Prince. The Prince never wakes up. It's just a villager, but the Prince may never die. So if all the votes that go towards the Prince are void, and I guess whoever the Prince is voting for kills.
Yeah. Sounds right.
Then we have the Tanner. The Tanner only wins if they die. The werewolves cannot win with the Tanner.
That's great. But the
Unless-
villagers can?
The villagers can if they have if a werewolf and a Tanner dies.
Right.
Really?
Yeah, that's what just happened.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
That is not what you said.
Just kidding. A villager lost, someone lost.
Everyone
We
lost the Tanner.
played a practice game and the Tanner won. Yes.
Which does not happen often.
I didn't know about the
No,
time.
I don't. That would have messed up my statistics. 'Cause
And
I
who
feel
was
like
the
every time
Tanner?
I'm Tanner, I like always lose. It was me, and I won.
Oh wait, I don't want to.
So you get the belt.
Yeah, give me that belt.
No, you don't get the belt.
Off cam,
The
no.
belt will be decided in another 100 videos. When we
Another
have,
100.
when we have a board. When we have another boardroom meeting.
Picture
Joey's
didn't
reign
happen.
is too long.
Seriously, that's way too long.
Why do we do a boardroom meeting to decide?
Huh?
We should have a wrestling match.
Well, you're not part of the boardroom. So.
Yeah, you didn't make it into the board of directors.
I really enjoy that you guys keep calling it a boardroom meeting. I feel like it's just a board meeting normally.
We had it in the boardroom.
A boardroom.
It's a board game. We're in the board game room, so it's a board game.
So is it the board game board?
Is it a board game? There's no board.
It's the board game,
It's a card
boardroom,
game.
board.
It's a card
meeting.
game, not a board game. So
Yes.
the card meeting.
Shuffle
card
those things. Shuff, shuff.
Yep. Here we go.
Wait, thumbnail.
No, we already did.
Oh,
the
he wasn't
Oh,
in it.
no.
You were in the thumbnail.
Oh, now I am.
Should we do one with
Thumbnail.
him in it?
No,
Aw.
he doesn't make it a thumbnail. You can't have a cool entrance and be in the thumbnail.
What? That's so mean.
Does anyone know what card they're doing?
Yeah.
They're
I
doing.
forgot.
They're doing. Yep, go.
Well, let's go to sleep.
Everyone,
Jeez.
close your eyes. Doppelganger. Wake up and look at another player's card.
What does the doppelganger do?
You are now
Yeah.
that role. If you viewed the Alpha Wolf, Seer, Robber, Witch, or Troublemaker card, do your action now. Doppelganger.
Go to sleep.
Close your eyes. Werewolves. Wake up and look for other werewolves. If there is only one werewolf, you may look at a card from the center. Werewolves. Close your
Go to sleep.
eyes. Alpha Wolf. Wake up and exchange the center werewolf card with any other player's card.
Who should I switch with?
Oh no, Pete's in every
Alpha
card.
Wolf. Close your eyes. Seer, wake up. You may look at another player's card, or two of the center cards. Seer, close your eyes. Robber, wake up. You may exchange your card with another player's card, and then view your new card. Robber, close your eyes. Witch, wake up.
Which?
You may look at one
There's
of the
only one
center
witch.
cards.
Sandwich witch.
If you do, you must exchange that card with any player's card. Witch, close your eyes. Troublemaker, wake up. You may exchange cards between two other players. Troublemaker, close your eyes. Everyone, wake up.
Whoa!
Underwater.
Whoa!
Gasp for
I was
air.
the witch again.
Cool.
Town meeting.
Town meeting.
I was a troublemaker again.
What? That's crazy.
Was everyone exactly what they were last?
Yeah.
Weird. Okay, let's just flip
We're not
them.
close.
Wait, we shouldn't say again because they don't know.
That's
They
true.
did.
We
told
did a
them.
we did a practice
Good
game.
practice.
And I was a witch, I think.
No, you were the troublemaker.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
Well,
What
you just
was I
said you were
this
the
time?
troublemaker. You
We
said
don't,
you were the
we
troublemaker.
don't care about last
Okay.
time. We care about this
What'd
time.
you do, witchy boy?
I don't know. What'd you do?
I just hung around, did some things,
Oh, you're a werewolf.
Werewolf.
tilted my
Werewolf.
crown. Excuse you. No.
Werewolf. Werewolf.
If I may,
Wolf.
Go ahead.
I was the seer.
Oh, what'd you see?
I know that there was no alpha wolf in play.
Wow,
At least
so
there
your wolf is
wasn't
still there.
when I looked.
Well,
Yeah, it would have been
that means
before
there's,
you.
yeah, that means there is none.
No,
Well,
I'm-
somehow it got.
Exactly, that's what I mean. Unless like a witch, someone got witched into
Oh, okay.
one.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm saying there was no alpha wolf at the beginning,
Okay.
and I won't reveal the other card just yet. I did look in the center. I saw 2 cards.
Mm.
I will wait.
Sneaky, sneaky.
The seer is the first card. How did you not see an alpha wolf?
No, I
You looked at
I
this
saw the
card.
dream wolf,
You looked at this
Oh,
card
okay,
and
okay.
noticed that Dream Wolf wasn't moving.
which means that an alpha wolf wasn't on the table before that.
Oh, okay.
So there could still be one if they got witched. But
But she's saying he's the
I
witch.
did not.
okay,
So there you go.
now we know. Now we fact,
You're the
hard
wolf.
facts.
That's a strategy. You're the wolf, Dad.
I'm the wolf.
Cool.
Cool,
Okay.
Tanner. Don't vote for him.
That's or a prince.
I gotta say, I'm the prince. Just gonna shrug that off.
Everyone vote for her now.
Kelsey.
That's funny.
That's funny because I was the prince.
Oh, you really are a wolf.
No, I'm not the wolf.
Well, you're certainly not the prince.
Maybe I am.
You're too long a hair for a prince.
Okay, any robbers?
Judge the prince's hair.
Oh, that's right. I'm a robber.
I thought you were the
Okay,
troublemaker.
all right.
I forgot.
There will be a game one day when Dad actually remembers what he is.
No, there won't.
Maybe. I'm hopeful.
Brett, what's going
What
on?
were
over
you,
there, buddy?
sweetie?
Thank
What
you,
was that
buddy.
face for? Put your
Hey, buddy.
thinking face on.
What do you think you used to be?
Oh, you troublemated him.
You messed my card in.
Mm.
I was the Tanner, so whoever
did the
gave
mess
my
around.
card-
Oh.
So whoever you gave my card to, we should not vote
Ooh.
Who did you have?
I
Or
don't
did you
know. I
troublemaker them?
forgot who I troublemated.
God. You're killing
It was definitely.
Let's just watch the tape.
me. Whew.
for. So Jerry, what'd you witch?
I witched a card.
Ooh.
I love it when we all come out with information.
Yeah. Actually, I chose not to witch.
Cool.
A witch who didn't.
I chose not to Tanner.
Come on,
That's
guys.
an option.
Okay.
I
well-
chose not to Tanner.
Wait,
In that
did you
case,
say
I'll
you were
vote
the
for Brett.
Tanner?
He said he moved my card.
Yeah, but that's very unlike you to be like, yeah, I'm the Tanner.
Well,
Because he
moved
could
it,
also
right?
say, like, just kidding, didn't touch your card, and then
If
you'd be stuck.
Okay, well, if we're
What
breaking
used
the
to be?
game, it sounded
What
like
did I
someone
used to
moved
be?
my card.
A prince.
So I trust
But you're no
them
longer
when,
a prince.
They said
Oh
that.
no.
I did
Oh, so
hear
you
shuffles.
troublemated them too? So now you're the
Oh,
Tanner,
I'm
you're
a
the
Tanner.
Prince.
Ah!
He's a
I heard
prince.
shuffles.
The truth comes out.
Interesting.
So I
It's
say
a
we
fate.
Not
vote
voting for you.
now.
And if we
now.
vote for him,
Then only his vote
then
will
only
count.
that Brett's will count.
I mean, if we all vote.
What did you witch?
Who did you witch, Jerry?
I didn't.
So you're the witch, but you didn't witch.
Yeah.
Well, that's a big old
Where-
fat lie.
You're a lazy witch.
Trying to
Well,
help
someone
out my
else will witch.
editing.
You witched yourself into a werewolf.
Werewolf.
That's what happened.
Werewolf.
I guarantee he witched himself into a werewolf.
If you are a witch and you look at the center card, you see werewolf, you have to be it.
No, you can
Yeah,
give it to
you can give it to
anybody.
You can give it
No.
home.
I
But you
don't
can
know
have
why
fun.
he
You
would give it to
can
himself.
have fun with it. Pete, did you troublemaker us too?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I was the werewolf, so we should vote for Kelsey.
Oh.
I was about to say, you coming out as a Tanner is very unlike you.
Ooh.
But it definitely seemed like my card got swip swapped.
Swip swept.
But
I heard a swip swap.
did you definitely move it with her? Because I was the werewolf.
Well,
The normal
I am
werewolf?
the werewolf, but I
What's
did
going on?
switch when nobody was looking because I cheated.
Oh my gosh, Dad. Wait, the normal werewolf?
So
or the
nothing they
normal
said
wolf?
matters. Vote for Brett.
Normal wolf?
I was regular wolf.
Regular wolf pup.
I was beta wolf.
Cute.
I didn't really switch anybody. I could have, but I didn't.
And you honestly didn't witch.
I did not witch.
You little liar.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Well, this information doesn't matter, but the other card itself is the doppelganger, so
Oh, cool.
it just no one claimed it. That's why I didn't say it.
I like it.
Thanks.
Good keeping of information.
Thank
Wait, you were the doppelganger?
No,
No,
we
I
saw the
saw.
dog.
Okay.
That's the card.
I did a speak.
1 minute,
that's-
so
spoke to
people
it?
better get on it because there's
That's
only
you.
1 minute
1
left.
minute remains.
So we should vote for Kelsey.
Ah, but everyone vote
Okay, what did you do?
She's a prince.
I'm still not
I was
sure
Prince.
if you're
Do you want to win?
telling the truth.
You want to lose that belt, Joey?
You were definitely
about the
not
belt.
a prince.
Oh wait, so if he loses once, he loses the belt. Everyone vote for Kelsey. Who cares? Who cares? what
I'm
happens
just
after
saying.
that?
I'm just saying. No, because it'll make his percentage go
I think
down.
Katie makes 0 cents. Pete makes 0 cents. I don't know why we're not voting for both of them.
0 cents.
I was Prince.
I don't remember
that
what I
makes
was.
Plenty of sense.
Yeah,
Even though
that's
it's only
I'm
fair.
voting for
Seconds
Kelsey
left.
because I
Scrambling.
trust that my card got swapped.
So you know that you're the werewolf, and now she's the werewolf.
I'm not trusting Pete.
Yeah, I don't
Why
trust
wouldn't you
him
trust
either.
me?
I don't know. Go for Dad.
I was the werewolf at one point.
Let's get 2 kills going.
We still
Everyone's
have
got
14
their
seconds.
fingers
Yeah,
up.
we still have 14 seconds.
Keep 'em up!
Really, really
Alright,
ready.
Justin, you and me will vote for Pete.
Okay.
Oh, he's voting for Kelsey.
Yeah.
We got
I'm
one for
voting
Kelsey
for
if you
Pete.
want to win.
Who should I vote for?
Katie, who are you voting for?
We got to
vote
vote
for
for
Katie.
Kelsey.
Okay, I'll vote for Katie.
3,
Why?
2, 1. Vote.
Do we all have one vote?
No, it's
No.
3 votes Kelsey.
3 votes Kelsey.
Oh,
2
and
votes
2 votes
Katie.
Katie.
It doesn't matter. It's 3 votes Kelsey.
She's the 10.
Oh,
Damn it.
come on.
She 10.
Damn it.
Werewolf.
Oh no.
See, I never win
I'm
a
sorry,
Tanner.
Kelsey.
What?
Not
You
recording.
lose.
Oh, you did witch yourself
I
into
did
it.
wish myself.
That's risky.
The boys win, except Joey.
Risky. Womp womp.
Boys.
Boys
Boys.
are back in town.
Team boys.
We've been in town.
I forgot who I was
Back in
too, and I
town.
still won.
You're the troublemaker.
Yeah.
I was the prince, so I couldn't die anyway.
Good call. Good call.
That was a good game.
Claps all
And
around.
I only cheated once.
I see why Joey didn't want. I see why Joey didn't want people to vote for
Yes.
Kelsey.
Yes. Now I see why. It's clear.
Guys, that's the end of this video. You have to come back on Wednesday to see another video.
I thought Tuesday.
Wednesday. It's Monday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Friday.
Though there are more videos on YouTube, so if you want to see an ice bucket
true.
challenge, you can check those out.
Are they still doing
If
that?
you- they didn't delete them. They're still there.
That's true.
You
No,
go-
they deleted them. They don't need ALS doesn't need any more money. They're like, nah, get rid
Cleared
of
it
it.
out.
You can go watch Keyboard Cat. You can see. You can rewatch Gangnam Style.
Watch that Charlie
Oh,
Bit Me, man. That's
Gingham.
original.
Gangnam Style.
Yeah, by
Oppa.
Psy.
Gangnam
Oppa,
Style.
Style.
Hey, sexy ladies.
If you want to see that video of the dude at the zoo,
So much.
The video to do the zoo.
Watch some cute puppy videos, let's be real. Or sweet homecoming videos, because those always make
Watch
me cry.
Sweet Home Alabama, the music
Sweet
video.
Delete your Google account, go off the grid.
Alabama.